Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and good morning, everyone. Today is the 5th, 25th of May. It is Wednesday morning, and I'm taking a look at the Emini S&P 500. It is a little bit after 10 right now, and that is the ES futures. Okay, so those that your first time watching one of my videos, guys, I am a price action trader. I trade the ES futures 5 days a week, pretty much, and these are my live recorded sessions right here. So in the video, what I basically do is you can see me, I record my trades, and then I discuss in detail why it's a particular trade. So pretty much if you're, trying to find a solid strategy to use, and maybe kind of use it in your own trading plan, whatever the case is, maybe trying to change it, change the strategy. Maybe the strategy, the old ways of doing things aren't working for you anymore. But I've been trading for about 10 years, and I found a solid strategy that, those that have been following the channel by now know that I trade each and every day. I have, well over 200 videos on the channel now, to where you can see me, trade this particular strategy. All it is a pullback or retracement strategy that I use because I trade basically off of supply and demand levels. So I talk about this time and time again in my videos, guys. I always start with the higher time frame, look to see if we're in a supply or demand area, and then I scale down, waiting for the rejection and the pullback on the lower time frame, say for instance the 12 or the 4 range chart. So simple strategy I do and I use. So this is your first time watching, watch the video. Hopefully you gain some valuable information or just valuable information out of the content today. And for all those who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you for doing so. And just everyone, make sure you click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That will ensure that the post notifications are turned on and that you never miss one of the uploads. Okay. But yeah, first time watchers and first time viewers, thank you for tuning in this morning. Thank you for all who are tuning in this morning. Everyone tuning in, and hopefully we can get you on the team. So just click, if you can take a moment, go ahead and hit that sub button for us, subscribe button. And everyone watching, please make sure to drop a like. All you have to do is hit the little thumbs up button. Please drop a like on the video, guys. I notice we're getting 200 plus more views a day, whatever the case is, which is good. But if you're taking the time to watch the video, just simply so graciously, I'd appreciate it if you just hit that little like button, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I want to start off and letting everyone know, especially if this is your first time watching, down in the description portion of the videos on the home page, say like in this video here that you're watching right now, if you check in the description down below, you'll see a list of books, okay? I get this question or comment from time to time. A lot of people have actually sent me comments asking, hey, do you know of any good, hey Mike, do you know of any good trading books or books that can, kind of help me out and get me started? I have 8 books right there, guys, and these are phenomenal books to read. Highly recommend it. Click on ones that maybe interest you. They're all great books. They all have kind of cover different topics, whether it's the fundamentals of futures, technical analysis, market structure, price action. Just great books covering great materials, guys, that will kind of, even if you are an intermediate or I say pro or experienced trader, I mean, there's nothing wrong with furthering your education. Maybe look, because I'm always, watching videos, reading books. I'm constantly doing those things to kind of further my, broaden my mindset when it comes to trading. So I highly recommend you guys check out some of those books, purchase 1 or 2 of them, whatever the case is, or all of them, as well as if you're interested in any computer equipment, whatever the case is, if you ask like, hey, what do you use? Check out, in the description as well. You'll see a couple links to different suggested equipment that I actually use down below as well. But yeah, the books are great. Highly recommend it, guys. Highly recommend it. If you're looking to really, be successful in this business of trading, you've got to do some reading, and those books are great to read. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in today's video here. Let me go back here and take a look at the 60 range chart to see where we are at today. Everyone knows that the market has been, moving to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. So looking at the last few days, the 12th, we had a low here, major retracement. break down lower, and so far prices are shopping sideways. We have not broke this low here from the 20th, and we haven't broke this high here. So we're kind of moving within this leg right here, and so we haven't broke this high on this. Basically when price pulled back here, so tracing, we haven't broke this high yet. So we're just kind of chopping sideways. Yesterday's price action, we ran up. Excuse me, that was the Friday's price action. We ran up here and made a high at 39.82, pretty much, or 81. And then we started making these lower lows and lower highs, chopping to the downside. But be mindful because, you know, we came up here once again and hit this area of what I call supply up here in this area here, right above this high volume node. So this happened overnight. Yesterday's price action, like I said, we kind of made some higher highs and higher lows. Excuse me, lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. I'm sorry, guys. Off the bounce of Friday's high, coming off of that, and then we turned around and kind of started chopping back to the upside. So we're definitely moving sideways right now. We did push back up here overnight and tested that area of supply, as I mentioned, from over here from May 18th pretty much, and we're rejecting that area. So right now we're just kind of moving sideways. So if I was to, let's see, so right here, this would be an area of demand sitting right here. Okay, if I was to draw a box right here, area demand. But yeah, we hit supply up here. So the area demand I'm talking about is right here, guys. As price pushed up, as it started making these higher highs and higher lows, it actually retraced back. Price had taken out this structure right here. So the reason why I'm moving sideways is because price pushed down here, pulled back, it has not broken lower here. So we haven't made a lower low. So and price when it pushed down yesterday, made its low here, it flipped, it reversed, pretty much turned back around and started making these higher highs and higher lows. And it's just stagnant. It's kind of moving sideways right now. So let's see what happens today. But yeah, we have an area of let me see here what we got. Price push down. Let's see. Yeah, supply right. This was supply right here in the morning time. Price started hitting this area of supply. We're actually hitting into it again. Um, so we could possibly bounce here again. You see that red candle right there? It's already rejected it. So we'll take a look to see what the market is trying to do. I'm gearing to scale down to my 12 range chart to see, kind of start looking for some trade entries. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Um, dun, 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 dun. Price broke lower here. Okay. Oh, let's see. Take this line here, move it down a little bit. So where's price at? Okay. Yeah, it's chopping down. It's hitting against an area of supply right now, guys. So I was trying to grab this line here because we want to look at something. Uh, okay. Yeah, be careful here. So we're hitting up in this area of supply right here. So, um, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of stand down right now because price is kind of moving sideways right here. The market opened up kind of in this area right here. So yeah, I'm gonna stand down because we're chopping sideways right here, bidding volume in this high volume area. Yeah, I'm moving sideways here. Yep, just chopping around sideways. So, hmm, chopping around sideways right now. Yes, sir. Hmm. Yeah, not sure, guys. Not 100% sure yet. So this is why I'm taking a little long, but I'm kind of late on the trade here. 58. Yeah, I'm late. Go ahead and scalp real quick. Just back up to. Oh, actually, price is probably gonna push back up to here. So I didn't see that there. Okay. Yep. Okay. Probably compared to right here to 60 and a quarter. Just scalping real quick. What's today? 25th. So it's bouncing right there at the tops. That off the 12 range. Yeah, just picking up a quick little 6 ticks. Nothing much there. Trying to see if I can get more to a solid trade. I gotta be careful here because price is hitting into this area up here, this area of supply sitting up here. You know, we hit it right here early this morning or into the overnight session. Well, yeah, into the overnight session. Now it pushed a little lower here after bouncing off that area of supply, and now it's pulling back to that same area again. So I'm going to stand down and wait for price to kind of get an idea what it's trying to do here. Okay, you can see price rejecting that area again, right there. Supply, see it on the 12 range, rejecting. So, pretty interesting to see. 55. Let's see something here. 56. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what price does. You can see on the 4 range, we're already kind of rejecting that area there. So, um, I haven't broken that area yet. Let's see. Yeah, kind of iffy there. I'm going for a quick little scalp here. I know price could pull. Oops. Let's go for a quick little scalp, guys. Nothing much. There we go. Okay, quick little field there. Trade off the 4 range. Notice the price pulling back. This little pullback trade off the 4 range chart, trading the micro ranges. Okay, I saw price. It rejected there on the 12 range, started coming down. I saw it break structure coming down to the downside, and it's just a pullback to this area here, right above the high volume node right here. Went short, closed that red candle, just come back down to this low right here, okay? So, yeah, just picking up a couple ticks there. I'm up just 11 ticks, so just scalping right now because I don't have much opportunity to do much because price is kind of moving sideways. So yeah, this was a little short right here as well. Price pulling back to this area right here. And you could taking it, closing the red candle right here at 67.5. Take it back down to 66, about a point and a half there. All right, price maybe trying to break higher now. So look like she might be. Let's see. Look at the higher time frame. Okay, we got this area demand, supply sitting up here as well. Price projected is back on the 23rd last Friday, so we're tapping back into that area. So we've already tested this area now. So price can do some funny things here. It can reject it again, or being we've already tested on the 23rd, it can want to push higher. So, it'd be interesting to see. Now let's see if price can close above the green candle here on the 60 range, 70. Just say 73 and a half. Um, I like to see the price pull back then to probably somewhere between, I don't know, 55 and somewhere in this area right here. So be a area of demand sitting right here and possibly lower. So, but it'll have support sitting right here. If it can break above 73 and a half, because this right here down here um, was like a reversal in a sense. I mean, prices so far has not made another low. So reverse, rejected right here, pushed up, made a high here, breaking back in this area structure, pulling back, making a retracement here, now breaking lower, and so far we're starting to move higher. So more so it's like a push up, pull back, and maybe push higher, but we got to get to break in this area here to the upside. If it looks like price is trying to change direction, let's see. Like I said, it's got to break 73 and a half right here. Right now it's not. All right, let's see. Um, okay, the market is. Maybe if we get a pullback right here on this little market, I might take a little. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's retrace. Yeah, it's bouncing off that area of supply, like I told you guys. So let's see what the market's trying to do. Break in structure here. Um, I like to see it pull back to at least up here this area here at 74. So let's see what happens. But it is breaking some areas of structure. Yep. It's pushing hard to the downside now, huh? So it got up there and started breaking bounce off that area of supply again right here from the 18th. And we're breaking to the downside pretty hard. It's kind of hard to get into a trade. Let me see this. Um, 73. Yeah, just have to wait for pullback now. Yeah, I have to wait for pullback. Have to wait for the pullback, guys. I mentioned that. Okay, price didn't break above yet. Okay, didn't break above. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's pushing down, huh? It's pushing down pretty hard there. Man, can't do anything here. Just red candles, red candles. Not gonna pull back. So I have to wait. Have to wait it out. I mean, who am I fooling? Let's see. Uh, it could have been a short, maybe, possibly. I don't know. Price could push higher. It didn't. I'm trying to trade out the market swings now because I don't see any swings to the downside here. Price did break structure coming down, but uh, I just don't know if it's going short. That's what I didn't want to do. Okay, okay. All right. So we're trying to push higher. Yeah, I'm gonna take this trade here out because I don't like what the market's doing here. So I'm gonna get out this trade here. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Pull back a little higher here before rejecting. So got out. Let's see. 71. Yeah, it bounced right here. It's not done yet. Okay, I see what it's trying to do. All right, I see what it's doing now. Okay, I'm gonna scalp this bad boy because it ain't done. It's gonna come. There it goes. Okay, I see what it did. All right, it pulled back a little higher. Um, right up to this area right here. This area here was pushing to the downside too, into the swing right here. So on the pullback, it retested that area right there. My short was just a little too early, so I'm glad I got out, but I was able to get back in, and it's going right. It rejected this area right here on a pullback. Retracement to this little small area of demand right here, just to push lower to 66. Okay, to this little low right here. So we could continue pushing lower. So I just got back in when I started seeing the further rejection off the 4 range. So just up 18 ticks now. It's kind of tough today. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's a little tough for me today, but it is what it is. Just trying to be patient and not kind of overstep my boundaries and make any bad trades. Or you always gotta keep your mind. Okay, so price could pull back now. Now what I like to see is price pull back to 60. I'll use this red line right here. Watch it. This I can't grab it. This area right here. Okay. It may pull back there. It may not. Okay. I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying it could possibly do that. All right. Now, what I'm noticing, what I'm gonna look for too, also is if price comes down and tests this area here. Like I said, 56 is support, but it could test. Um, it could test in this area. Let me see and make sure I'm looking at this right. Yeah, it could test this area right here. If price on the 60 range comes back down to 55, maybe 50, somewhere in this area right here, guys. This right here is demand. Little area demand off of the 60 range chart. But let me go back and take a look and see what the market's doing here. Yeah, the market's just pushing lower. Pushing lower, no pullback so far. So, all right. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see it come back maybe to this area up here, right here, 67, between 67 and 69. Let's see if we can get a pullback there. It could bounce right here. Possibly could. So I just don't know if it's done yet because we're at the lower portion. It's a low volume area here. Like I said, I always like to take my trades above a high volume area right here. So um, just don't think it's done yet. Running to the upside here to test this area on one more tracement back to this area right here. It's a low volume area. Price likes to move through a low volume area. See it pushing up still. So I didn't hit that area. Let's see, 66.25, 25. Ah, let's see. We're getting a little bit of rejection here. I'm short. Um, it's not done, is it? It's not done, not done. Okay, that's fine. You can push up a little higher. Above this high volume area, push up. Ah, I see what it's doing though. It's checking 64.5. Okay. All right. I better play this smart. 63.25. Yeah, I better play this smart. 63. Yeah, let me play this smart. Come on, baby. Let me get out. Take out this trade. I don't like what the market's doing here. Yeah, not much room here. I want to see it come a little higher. It's bouncing off of right now. This little area of supply sitting right here. But we have um, support right below us. Yeah, there it is. Yep, I should have stayed in the short. Chopping right here. Got right here. You saw me get into the trade short, but it just kind of chopped around. I went ahead and got out. It's all right. So I'm only up little 23 ticks right now. It's a little 23 ticks, little 23 ticks. It's all right. Scalping a run. It's better to go ahead and get out than sit here and take a chance of it. It's just not enough room on this little area of where we at. Supply right here. I mean, you get in right here, right where this high volume area is. You get in right here, close, then you're right here at the bottoms already. So it's kind of dangerous. That's why I didn't really, play around with it too much. But it could come down here, guys. Just back down here to 61 or 60. This is the low right here, off this retracement right here. Oh, we can push higher too, so be careful. To me, I just don't. 66, 67. We tested it. Yeah, it's just not ready to me yet. If it breaks below 64 and pulls back, I think we'll see lower lows. See price come back lower. Okay. Yeah, price bounced right here. Okay, it broke lower, pulled back, and then it came back and tested lows right here. So basically, what it did was ran back up here and tested this area here again of supply, rejected it again here, and then broke lower. I actually went to a little short and picked up um, 7 ticks, guys. I didn't record that because thought I had my recorder going, but right now I'm just up 30 ticks right now. 30 ticks. I'll show you guys. Okay. Yeah, look, a little tough today. Not getting any good runs, to be honest with you. Um, okay, I'm short. Come on. Man, what is this market doing today? Is it trying to break this area? 64 3/4. Yeah, let me do this. Yeah, I may need to scalp this because it's just bouncing around too much today, right in this area. And we're dead smack at this high volume node, so yeah. Okay, let me close that out. I enter with a position to go long by accident, trying to close that trade out. Um, okay. There it goes, running to the downside. So we're rejecting it again. It's playing around this high volume node right here. So be careful if you're trading this mess. All right, I'm up 39 ticks right now. Let's see. Yeah, 39 ticks. All right, let's see. Let's see. 56 are cool. Yeah. I'm taking these shorts, guys, because we're hitting it on a higher time frame. This area of supply sitting up here, so that's why I'm taking these shorts. But price is moving sideways now. It keeps bouncing off this little area of supply right here on the 15. Oh, excuse me, the 15 range, on the 12 range. So, but I'm up 39 ticks right now, and not too much going on this morning. Kind of trailing to the upside, making these higher highs and higher lows. Hit that area of supply off the 60 range, backed off. So this is supply on the 15, on 12 range. Yeah, see, my shorts are accurate. It's just price is chopping like that. They're trying to scare you out. They're trying to push you out with trade, but it keeps hitting that area of supply there. And each time I get in, I should, I like to trade and see price move when I get in my trade. If it doesn't, I get out. Come on, these freaking charts are can't even grab a daggone line. It's acting up this morning. Okay, nah. Ooh, buddy. Let's see. Price will come down here, test this area right here. Maybe we'll get a bounce. It hasn't tested this area here yet. Right here, I say around 60 and a half. But let's see. Hmm. I don't know if I trade it or not. Looking at how choppy the market is, I don't think I'll trade it, to be honest with you guys. Don't like what I'm seeing here. Nah. I doubt I'll trade it unless it pulls below the high volume area here. Look how choppy it is. It's coming down there though, right? Look at it. Nah. It's gonna break below. Possibly. Yep. All right. Let's see what this bad boy's trying to do now. Rejecting off this. Okay, it's hitting off that 56 level I talked about. This is a small area demand off the 60 range. It's hitting off of it now, so that's at 39.56. Yes. All right. So be careful here. Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. It's bouncing there. It's bouncing right here. That's because of this right here. Yeah, possibly could get a little bounce here, but it's the price was a little higher. Yeah, it could bounce here. Come back down, test a low right here, but yeah, yeah, not enough room for me. Just not enough. I would prefer to have seen it push up to, let's see, hmm, yeah, it's coming up there. Maybe. We'll see. Or this area right here, which is already testing. Could be this area here. Not 100% yet. Let's see. Short. 60. Ah, no, don't do that. Mm. 60 and a quarter. 60 and 3/4. Hmm. Come on, man. Push down. Look at it. Bounce up. There it goes. Gracious. Look at this market today. It's like driving me nuts. There we go. Got filled. All right. It may run down here to 60 and a quarter, 61 area, 60 and a half. Okay. It's just a lot of bounce today in the market. Look at it. Hit right to the tick. All right. Closing this candle here. Red candle. Want to pull back to this area of demand right here. Go short. All right. Let's see. Okay, I'm up 40. Give me a second, guys. Let's see here. What is this thing doing? All right, I'm up 48 ticks, guys. Sorry about that. 48 ticks. All right. So let's hit that area right here. This is right here what I was talking about right here. Be careful. Ooh. Okay, let's hit that area again. High volume area, above a high volume area. Um, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, that trade I took was a short, guys, off this area of supply sitting right here off the 12 range. Okay, that's because price started breaking structure to the downside here. You see it, and as that was doing that, it made a low here, pull back, made a higher low. Excuse me, a lower high, and then a low here, a lower low, and then pull back here and made this area of supply sitting on the 12 range, closing the candle, go short. I don't know. Could this be another short here? Possibly could. I'm not sure. Um, be careful here because price just took out. Okay, price is trying to take this area here out. So be careful if you went short here. Price could come back down here to the low right here. We're gonna be a little lower, but be careful though. Let me take a look here. Ah, it could be. But you got this swing right here. So be careful because this swing here started trying to push up, taking the structure, this area structure here out. So be careful. All right, yeah, that was a valid short. Let's see something here. Yeah, let's be careful though. High volume area. Shorten the area supply. That's the right move to do. But you have this swing right here too, so be careful. Prices going short, you gotta be careful this swing area right here. Yeah, I'm gonna probably call it quits, guys. We're trading around the VPOC right now. We had a shift here, so I'm gonna close out the video here. Hopefully, you guys value the content in this trading session here. Like I said, I show my trades in my trading sessions, and I explain to you why I took those trades based on looking for the area of retracement. Trading off looking for the area supply or demand off the higher time frame, and then waiting for the scaling down to the 12 range charts. Like for instance, what I use, a lower time frame chart or anchor chart, just to see if prices start breaking structure, and then I look for a retracement back to an area where price can reject it, or you know, like for instance, like right here, guys, you guys saw it. This was 60. This was the supply off of the 60 range. Price starts breaking structure to the downside, pulls back. That supply right here off the 12 range, pulls back. Moment it closes, kind of rejects, goes short. The only issue here is if we went short right here, then right back down here to the low. So then you get another opportunity right here. Price pushes up, then down, pulls back, makes a lower low, pulls, taps back into this area right here. You saw me go short, close the candle red, you go short, okay? So same thing in reverse if we trade demand. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I appreciate everyone who's following. Everyone who's been dropping likes on the video, please drop a like on the video, guys. It doesn't hurt. Just all you gotta do is click that little thumbs up button on the homepage there. So make sure to hit the thumbs up button so we can continue growing the channel. Is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to provide this content, this information push it out to you guys. And I'm getting a lot of feedback, positive feedback, where it's been helping individuals. So that was a solid short up here at the tops, guys. So right here in supply. But yeah, it's been helping individuals out. I want to be able to continue helping individuals. So if you don't mind, so I would graciously appreciate it if you just tap that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to wrap it up today. And if you're trading, please be safe.